Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete or remove games from your Epic Games library. So right now what you need to do is first open up your Epic Games launcher. Once you do that, click on where it says library. And all the game which you have downloaded is going to be shown over here. So what you need to do is click on this button and click on the option called recently played. Or you can just click on installed over here at the side, and it is going to show you all the games you have installed. So I only have Fortnite installed, that's why it's only going to show Fortnite. If I want to uninstall it or remove it from my library, I can click on the three dot right beside the game. And you can see the button called uninstall. I just need to click on uninstall and click on uninstall, and my game will be uninstalled. And in your case, the game, whichever game you chose, will be uninstalled. So that is how you guys can delete a game from your Epic Games launcher or remove from the library. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos just like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day. And if you guys have any question, drop it down in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys and help you.